An electromagnetic wave of frequency V is equal to 3.0 megahertz passes from vacuum into a dielectric medium, with a relative permittivity epsilon is equal to 4.0. Then, which of the four options is correct we need to find here? Okay. The relative permittivity, that is epsilon, in the vacuum, I can write that is the epsilon naught is the vacuum, that is equal to 1. But in the medium, that is epsilon is equal to 4.0, that is 4 they are mentioned. Therefore, the refractive index mu is equal to, we know that under root of epsilon divided by epsilon naught, then we get the value, that is the 4 divided by 1 is a 4 and the root of 4 is equal to 2. Then means mu is equal to 2, refractive index. Then the wavelength, that is the lambda, is equal to, we know that is lambda dash is equal to lambda divided by mu. Since lambda that is equal to mu is equal to 2 here, lambda by 2 we will get the answer. That means the wavelength will becomes half, right? And the wave velocity, that is a v is equal to c divided by mu, and that is c by 2 here. That means by seeing all these things, we can say that the wavelength and the velocity is reduce it to a half, but the frequency remains unchanged. The frequency will not change anything here. Then lambda, that is wavelength is double and the frequency becomes half. No, this is not the right answer. Wavelength is half and the frequency remains unchanged. Yes, option B is our right answer.